country supposedly fearless, but all over town and in churches abide powerful weaklings who practice their politics, stealing from Jesus' beautiful bride. We're the old Pharisees, Sadducees, heresies. You best get out of God's way. God is saying freedom to dance. Come on, freedom to sing, freedom to grow. We're telling you, never let God's people go. Come on, worship now, worship now, worship your God. Come on, worship now, worship now, worship your God. Yeah, worship now.